Welcome to the fascinating journey of nuts, from raw harvest to the delicious products we all enjoy. It all begins with the product feed system, where raw nuts are gently introduced into the processing line. This step ensures that each nut is handled with care, setting the stage for quality. Next, we enter the drying and roasting phase. Here, precise control of heat and airflow transforms the raw nuts, enhancing their texture and flavor. This process uses energy-efficient technology to ensure consistency and quality in every batch. Following roasting, the nuts move to the frying stage. This critical step involves careful temperature regulation and oil management, which are key to achieving the perfect crunch and extending shelf life. The fryer support module plays a vital role here, centralizing all oil system components to maintain efficiency and safety. To maintain the purity of the frying oil, the oil filtration system comes into play. This crucial process removes any particulate matter, preserving the oil's quality and ensuring that the nuts remain fresh and flavorful. As the cooking process nears completion, the nuts are gently cooled in the product cooling stage. This controlled cooling not only stabilizes the product, but also prepares it for the next steps, ensuring that every nut maintains its integrity and quality. The journey continues with salting and seasoning. Here, state-of-the-art machines evenly coat the nuts with salt or seasoning, enhancing their flavor and ensuring consistency across every batch. This step is crucial for creating the distinct taste that makes each product unique. Smart conveying systems then carefully transport the nuts through the line, using advanced technology to ensure gentle handling and precise movement. This step is essential for maintaining the quality and appearance of the nuts as they move towards packaging. In the filling and packaging stage, the nuts are carefully portioned into a variety of packaging types. From the transparent PET packages that showcase the product's quality, to the durable and efficient Quadro bags, and the flexible, resealable Doypack bags, each package is designed to preserve freshness while providing convenience for the consumer. This ensures that every product is consistently packed, ready for the shelves. Finally, the cartoning machine efficiently organizes the packaged products into cartons, preparing them for the final stage of their journey to store shelves and ultimately to consumers. This comprehensive process ensures that every nut is treated with the utmost care and precision. From the moment it enters the processing line to the time it reaches your hands, it's a journey of transformation, guided by advanced technology and a commitment to quality. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the nuts processing line, where every detail matters and every nut counts.